Okay, hello everyone. So today's topic: how much useful are mobile phones in studies for children, isn't it? So what I feel is, see, whatever we are doing in this platform, like English speaking, we are doing this only because of this mobile. And I already have told several times that test doesn't mean only that test that you think of. There are a lot of tests going on which where there is nothing to be written, but if we are having this platform, we are trying to speak in English, we are trying to have classes and have introduction and have group discussions, public speaking, whatever programs we are having. I think in each and every scenario we are using the mobile phones. Now, yes, like Chandan has given a lot of assignments to the class 10 students, and that was also possible only due to the mobile. If I am here and one of the persons who is very far from this place, and I want to know some topic or to be explained by anyone who is expert, having expertise in that, obviously I will have to use this mobile, isn't it? In many cases, mobiles are really very much helpful for us. If I want to prepare for any exam, if I want to speak with any expert, or if I want to just go through the news, current affairs, general knowledge, geographic channel. Because if you are watching YouTube, you can watch the episodes of geographic channel also, which will really be very much beneficial for you. Yes, if you are using it in a way which is not allowed by anyone, like if your parents are telling that don't go for reels, don't go for longer duration on mobiles, like everyone is having now specs, and that is only due to the excessive use of mobile phones. So if you feel that yes, you are using it excessively, obviously you will be having specs within days if you have not using it now. If you get a doctor and check your eyes from an eye specialist, obviously you will need specs, I guarantee you. Now, what can be done? So first of all, you should be totally determined, focused, and committed towards the statement that you promise to yourself, like you will not be using mobile phones from this time to this time, or you will be just using the phone for 10 minutes after the topic that you have targeted will be complete. Like we used to go for playing games, but when I used to play, I used to think of that yes, 2 or 2.5 hours I have been playing or roaming here and there. So 2 or 2.5 hours more is to be given for studies, because other students who are not playing are giving that much time. So I used to extend my duration of studies. And yes, I cannot avoid games also. I was very much addicted to roaming here and there with my friends, playing games like cricket. Yes, table tennis was not there, and it was a costly affair for us all. But yes, I used to study after I think 10 p.m. only, because after that there was a very silent environment, just like library is opening everywhere. What people want, they want just the environment where they can study, and that environment was possible only for me if I am not having any library in the late night hours. Like if it is 10 p.m. in the, obviously my father was in Air Force, so in camps it's totally silent. Okay, so that environment was very much lacked by me, and I used to start study at that time. Then at what time the studies will end, that was none of my business. I just targeted the topic, like if I have to complete 3 chapters, then I used to just complete that. Then if it is 12 o'clock or it's 2 a.m. or it's 3 a.m., it doesn't matter. Just I went for sleep only after covering the topics. Okay, and in between I used to take breaks, like I would be opening fridge and taking some sweets or some juices or whatever it may be for um, refreshing my mind, or taking a break of about 5 to 10 minutes. Then again I used to study. But yes, I never used to go for the forcing the time, and that time these smartphones were not there. there was no YouTube. When we are not getting any answer in suppose in maths, we used to solve it 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. And till the results were obtained, we were really feeling uncomfortable. And whenever I went to sleep, then in between I used to think of, no, that can be solved in this way. Then again I used to wake up and switch on the lights, maybe it is 2 a.m. or 3 a.m., and then I used to solve that, and then I used to go to sleep after solving it. So that was the main thing. So there was no mobile that time, but today artificial intelligence, chat GPT, coding, Python, these all things are there, and it is required in each and every scenario. If you are going to for a job, their computers will be obviously placed everywhere. Everyone will think that yes, you are having a mobile, so they will be just having Zoom meetings and all in non-official hours also. So this is an essential part of today. And preparing for exams doesn't mean just going through the book and writing in the papers. You have to go through these mobile phones, you have to go through the digital platform, okay, YouTube, whatever it may be. So they are very much essential, but don't use it in a way which is not essential for you. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.